Here's a video. If you haven't got spring clamps, what you do is use ratchet straps, and this is how it goes. Absolute brilliant idea for you guys that don't own a pair of spring clamps. You can get a pair of ratchet straps. And how much are the ratchet straps?
About £4.
About £4 each.
No, for the pair.
For the pair. There you go. Cheap and cheerful. You put one side on. Absolutely brilliant idea, because it actually leaves no score marks, nothing on the actual spring itself. Obviously with the clamps, when you put clamps on it, they can make marks on the springs as well, so here we go. That's the second one there. You can hear the V8 rumbling in the background.
Not my V8.
So yeah, if you can't find your spring clamps, this is the easiest way to do it, and you know what? It's absolutely ingenious. Professional street mechanics.
Bodge artists.
Bodge artists. And here you go.
All about the biggest kiss tune to kick off your weekend. You're locked into Friday Night Kiss. Tyler and I just sorting you out. Jason Derulo there with
Top lights on.
Food freedom isn't just about getting excited because your favourite Chinese just arrived. It's about letting out your excitement noise when your doorbell goes, and doing that sort of halfway between a walk and a run to the door that only really happens when your favourite Chinese just arrived. Fire up the Deliveroo app and find your food freedom today. Oh, bliss.
The best of the UK.
Winter getting you down? Here's a great way to cheer up. At Tesco Mobile, treat yourself to the Huawei P20 for just
Think you need a new manicure, sir?
Yeah, could do with one. I'll get myself booked in.
But you know what, guys, this just to give you a helping hand, because you know what, it's absolutely a brilliant idea. It should be there forever with them spring clamps. You're trying to use a spanner to carry them on each side, or even an air gun, they can slip off. Whereas this, it's quite safe to be fair. One side done.
Fucking moving.
Twice the strength of Senegal
Yeah.
tablets. For short-term occasional use, always read the label. Get down to your local Nissan dealership to take full advantage of our fantastic offers across selected Nissan Qashqai, Micra and Juke grades. All with 0% APR representative. That's all you need to know. We do have some legal stuff, so let's fly through that. Available on selected vehicles, retail customers only. Nissan
And there you go.
Subject to status, over 18s.
There you go.
Vehicles
Sits nicely, sitting correctly,
March 2019.
ready to put on the car.